Your name right now, your legal name is Justin Reed Thomasson. Is that right?
That's their legal name. That's who owns it.
All right, look, you signed this thing.
I signed it.
Okay, you signed it, and you agreed to what this position is. Is it correct? You agreed to abide by probation. Is that correct?
I guess I don't have much of a choice.
Yes, you do.
Under duress. No. This whole thing is under duress. But I'll do it because I don't have a choice.
Can I have a few minutes with him?
I'm thinking about revoking his release and just taking him into custody and continuing his evidentiary hearing, putting you back in jail.
Really? Why?
Because you're being.
What would you like me to do, sir?
I'd like for you to at least answer the questions. Tell me your name. Don't do all this nonsense of what you're doing.
That trash attitude almost put Justin back in a cell on July 17th. He got lucky with a second chance, but 25 days later, he is already pushing his luck again.
Hello, Deputy Navarro of the Bay County Sheriff's Office. You don't have a tag on your vehicle. Do you have a license?
No, I don't think sure. I don't believe I do.
You don't have a license on you?
I was just trying to run to the store to get some food for my dog real quick.
Okay, well, you know you can't drive this vehicle, right, without a tag?
I'll turn around then and go back to the house.
No, sir, you were going to stay here, okay?
All right.
So you don't have your license on you?
No, sir. All I have for protection right now is this.
Okay. Do you have registration on this vehicle, and do you have your...
It's not mine. I don't know really anything is.
You said it's not yours?
No.
Whose vehicle is this?
It was my neighbor's across the road.
It was your neighbor's?
Yeah. He lets me use it whenever he wants. I mean,
but it's parked in your driveway?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, because you don't have a license, or do you have a valid license?
Not with me.
Not with you?
No, I'm trying to get it reinstated, but I got to pay some fees that are kind of exorbitant right now.
So your license isn't even valid?
No.
Okay.
No, sir, not right now.
All right. Sit tight, okay?
All right.
All right.
Justin is sitting there playing it cool like he has nothing to hide. He thinks he can just talk his way out of this one like he did in court. But those 25 days of freedom are about to hit a dead end.
Hey, Justin, step out of the vehicle for me, all right?
What you need?
All right, come here.
Are you being arrested? Or?
We've got an issue here, okay?
What's the issue?
Well, the issue is, one, your driver's license has been suspended since 2022.
Oh, that's...
Okay? Yes. Two, all right, you're driving a vehicle with no tag on it.
It's not driving, though. That's kind of a commercial term.
No. You're traveling by means of driving.
No, sir.
Yes. Well, what are the means?
With that.
What means are you traveling then? You're traveling, but by what means?
By using an automobile.
Right. You're operating an automobile, correct?
No.
You're operating, meaning you're in control of.
I didn't ever say that.
You're not in control of an automobile? You're not in control of this automobile.
I'm in use of it.
You're in use of it.
Yes.
So you don't control it.
I mean, it's got a computer system.
It's got a computer. My man,
if it decides to take control, it can.
You are in control of this automobile, okay? It doesn't self-drive.
Right.
You are in control. So you are operating because you are in control of a motor vehicle and traveling by means of driving, okay?
What do you want to do about it?
So here's the thing, all right? Put your hands behind your back.
All right.
Okay.
Can I show all this stuff? And
I will take care of it.
can we go by my house?
No.
Because I got stuff that's sitting out that's going to ruin it. My dog's over there.
Then you're going to have to call somebody to come take care of your pets, okay? 442 back.
I feel like I'm just a giant target now. You already arrested me once, haven't you?
Since his legal myths failed, Justin is playing the victim card. He claims he is a target, but he is the one who chose to ride dirty while on probation. Some people just cannot handle reality.
1015, one white male. Yes, I have, actually, and I told you that I was going to be looking for this van because it is...
So you're just watching my house waiting on me to mess up then?
No, I was just...
As soon as I drove by, you turned around and pulled me over.
Yeah, because I noticed the van. I know exactly what van you drive, okay? So...
Where you want me to...
You're going to sit in the back of my vehicle.
Here we go again.
Yeah, man. I told you if I see that van traveling, okay, then I was going to pull it over and I was going to tow it and I was going to place you under arrest. I told you that. I said you need to get things in order. All right? You don't have a proper driver's license. You don't have your van registered. You don't have that van registered. Okay? You're using the sovereign citizen script, and your van, your license plate, is kind of
You guys just love
reflecting.
labeling us.
Well, yeah, that's your label, man. Stop using the sovereign citizen script.
I don't
and
use anything. I
You just said your means that you're traveling. You have to follow Florida state statute, right?
On what grounds?
On what grounds?
Yeah.
You live here, my man.
So they're applicable to anybody that's within Florida then, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Absolutely, 100% sure. If you're in the state of Florida, you have to follow.
Statutes are applicable to employees.
Show me out with
in Florida.
No, sir.
Do you have a law degree or anything?
Do you?
Justin is now facing a felony violation of probation, driving with a suspended license, and failing to register his vehicle. He was also slapped with citations for having no insurance and not even wearing a seatbelt. But the real story here is not the paperwork. It is the total lack of respect for the deal he made in court only 25 days ago. He claimed to be a sovereign traveler, yet he could not even do the simplest thing like clicking a seatbelt to stay safe. He chose a fake internet script over his own life and his future. You cannot expect the law to protect your rights when you refuse to follow the basic rules that keep everyone else safe on the road. He traded his freedom for a theory that has a 0% success rate in the real world. Was Justin just a victim of bad legal advice, or did he honestly think he was above the law? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you want more raw breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and have a great one.